So, you're shooting with Canon and your camera doesn't have any logs or flat picture profile? Canon, you do it all the time. Let's fix it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aria, I'm a filmmaker. Canon don't put any logs or flat picture profiles to their budget cameras. Why is that? Who knows? But on the bright side, you can actually fix it with Cinestyle. Cinestyle is a flat picture profile that you can add it to your picture profile list on your camera. Maybe now you say, oh, I can make my own picture profile, and the answer is yes, you can do that. But how much you can flatten your footage? Only a little. Cinestyle took your footage to the next level. And don't worry, it's not like some program that changed the entire interface of your camera. So there's no harm. If you use your regular Canon picture profile, especially indoor without lots of light, your footage is kinda done. You cannot color grade it so much. But Cinestyle is a flat picture profile that you can color grade it professionally. Oh, by the way, it only works good for shooting videos. You don't need that for shooting photos. Now let's see the difference. Let's undo the color grading. This is Cinestyle without any color grading or tweaks at all. Now let's see some regular Canon picture profiles. Remember, I don't change the exposure of camera or lighting in the room. See how much they are different? Let's back up the color grading. But there's a downside when you are using Cinestyle. Actually, Cinestyle adds up more noise to your footage. For example, if your camera at 800 ISO is good to go without any noise, when you are using Cinestyle on that camera, 400 ISO would be great. If you use 800 ISO on that, you will see some noise. Just keep that in mind when you're using Cinestyle. I will show you some awesome B-rolls using Cinestyle with professional color grading at the end of this video. So, how you can install the Cinestyle. First, download the Cinestyle. I put the link down in the description, you can check it out. Then connect your camera with the cable to your laptop or your PC. Open up CANON Utility. If you don't have that program, I put the link down in the description as well. Just find your camera and install the software. Open up the CANON Utility, turn on your camera, not in the video mode. Select remote shooting on CANON Utility, and then on the remote shooting menu, select register user defined style. Load the Cinestyle file and hit OK. Now let's see some awesome B-rolls using Cinestyle with professional color grading. Here we go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Let me know down in the comments, have you used Cinestyle? How was it? Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.